Hello everyone. I hope you are doing well in your life. Let's talk about our journey. I mean, I have observed some people they are struggling with level of English language. They are able to speak and understand to other people. Nevertheless, they are struggling while getting B1 level. That's why I have made a plan for you that will help you definitely in your journey. So, without squandering our precious time, we are going to learn and get some strategies from this video. All right. First and foremost, I would like to talk about grammar. There are some concepts which you should know definitely, otherwise, you can't get B1 level. For it, everybody, you should know basic tense, I mean, present, past, and future. You should have knowledge about present perfect and conditional sentences, modal verbs. These are some sentences which you should know definitely. These are grammar concepts which will help you to build your journey. Second is about speaking. All right, I have seen some people, they read, they write, however they do not speak. That's why they do not get that much outcomes they deserve. So for it, everybody, you must speak 40 to 30, 40 to 60 minutes every day. Okay, you should make to-do list, and there you are going to mention I will speak definitely for 40 to 60 seconds. It was second strategy. Let's move with third and last strategies. It is about your vocabulary. I have seen some people, they learn so many vocabulary. All right, however, after some time, they will forget everything from their mind. It will not help you anywhere. You should learn some lexicons which are going to help you definitely, such as you can learn phrasal verb. Subsequently, you can learn collocation. It helped me a lot. I was not getting B1 level earlier. Nowadays, I am able to get it. All right. So that will help you definitely. I am telling you these strategies with my own experience. I have applied in my life. That's why I'm sharing with you. Try to use it. It will help you definitely. Furthermore, whatever you are learning in your whole day, at night you should write down in your notebook. You will realize where did you make mistake, or where could you improve in your whole day. So these are some strategies which will help you definitely. All the best for your journey. I hope this video is helpful for you.